AMZN stock, Amazon.com Inc. So it's lost 6.8% in this session of day 28th of October 2022. In this post-market session, is up 0.28%. At some point in this session, it printed a 52-week low of $97.66. This is beneath the previous low of $101.26 by 3.56%. And it is 48.08% below the 52-week high of $118.11. So the folks at Morningstar have this report through their senior equity analyst Dan Romanoff. They have it that Amazon reported disappointing third quarter results and provided investors with soft fourth quarter guidance, with the performance of AWS being their greatest near-term concern. This quarter stings, as this was supposed to be the quarter where Amazon had finally lapped pandemic-fueled issues. They continue to believe long-term growth driven by e-commerce proliferation, AWS, and advertising, but the near term is clouded by a variety of macroeconomic issues, including currency headwinds, high inflation, soaring energy costs, and deceleration in AWS. So they can, according to them, they say they are looking through these issues, but they believe they are likely to persist throughout 2023, which decreases their confidence over the medium term as well. They are also lowering their growth and profitability assumptions, and in turn, their fair value estimate drops to $150 per share from $192 previously. Still, they are not ready to throw in the towel on Amazon, and they see shares as attractive, but clearly the company has still not found stable footing on its path out of the pandemic. Third quarter revenue grew 15% over year as reported, or 19% in constant currency, to $127.1 billion compared with guidance of $125 billion to $130 billion. Currency continued to worsen throughout the quarter, which crimped revenue growth. From a retail perspective, online stores grew 7% year over year as reported. Physical stores improved 10%. Third-party seller services grew 18%, and subscription services increased 9%. Prime Day was held in the third quarter of 2022 compared with second quarter in 2022, which resulted in an artificial 400 basis points of revenue growth for Amazon this quarter. Okay. So the most critical segments are AWS and advertising, grew 27 and 25% over the year period respectively. Okay, so that's a report there concerning AMZN. So buyers definitely bought that dip of $97.66. You can see that at some point it was actually $95. So they bought that dip. This was actually in the pre-market session. That was when they bought that dip, and it continued to extend bullishly. So let's look at what sort of projections we can come up with on the daily chart. So if we pick this rejection it had it's at 50-200 moving average sometime in early August. So we'll pick up we'll plot our Fibonacci grid from here, which is around 145.11. in other words, 145.11. that will be our basis, and we'll bring it all the way down to where it is right now, which is 103.73. okay, somewhere there. So we have an upward projection of 113.57, 119, 124, 129, 135. Yeah, it's definitely has presented by the deep opportunity, and market participants took advantage of that. So see what you make of Amazon, AMZN stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.